creating a unique identity for a particular medicine
in differentiating the product from other products.
Do you know about branding? I mean, pharmaceutical branding. Many pharmaceutical companies sell the same product under different brands. So branding help in positioning the product in the market. Now, what is this pharma branding? So pharma branding is nothing but creating a unique identity for a particular medicine so that it will stands out from similar products in the market. For example, creating a unique packing, creating a unique logo, creating a unique brand name.
Why branding is important in pharma? Branding helps in product recognition, in differentiating the product from other products, to build a trust and a reputation in the market, to create awareness in the doctor to prescribe a particular medicine. It also helps in patient recognition, especially which is very important in case of OTC products. Now, how can we establish our own pharma brand in highly competitive market? So it can be achieved by differentiating the product from other existing products and proper positioning and building the trust among the customers and promotion and consistency. Now discussing one by one. The first one is creating differentiation. Why should someone choose our product when 10 other companies offer the same molecule? So here we can create a differentiation in dosage form, combination of molecule, then convenience of use and packaging, patient friendly features, then quality of the product, then service support and appropriate product positioning. And the next very important factor or step in the branding is selecting or choosing the target market. It mainly includes our product is meant for which type of patient and which type of doctors will prescribe our product. For example, many drugs are there which are meant for topical applications. Here the targeted patients are the patients who are suffering from many type of skin allergies or skin diseases, and the doctors which are preferred here mainly the dermatologist or skin specialist. Build a strong brand identity. It mainly includes brand name, a strong, unique and easy to remember brand name. The next one is logo, a simple, meaningful logo that builds trust and recognition. And packing, very important, high quality, functional and consistent packing that enhance the trust and stand out. Then visual identity, consistent colors, then typography and a design that reflect your brand personality. Then brand message, a clear and consistent message that communicates your promise and connects with your audience. The next one is brand name. Make it easy to recognize and make it easy to remember. Logo, one visual symbol, one recognizable brand. Packing, your packing is a part of your brand. Visual identity, be consistent everywhere. Different pharma positions. So here there are various jobs in the marketing. The first one is medical representatives. So their main work is they are supposed to visit the doctors regarding product dealing, sales and prescription generation. Approximate salary in India 2 to 4 LPA. Experience 0 to 2 years. And the next position is senior MR or senior medical representative or senior executive. So he is or she is supposed to handle key doctors, increasing sales, then tertiary growth. The salary approximately 4 to 6 LPA. Experience 2 to 4 years. Then tertiary business manager. This person is supposed to manage the tertiary sales and business development. Salary is approximately 3.6 to 5.4 LPA. Experience 2 to 5 years. Then area sales manager or area business manager. This person is supposed to manage the sales team, achieving the targets and tertiary growth. The salary around 3.6 to 10 LPA. experience 3 to 7 years is required. Then regional sales manager, so manage multiple areas or teams, regional sale representatives, salary approximately 8 to 18 LPA, experience 5 to 10 years. Then zonal sales manager, so this person is supposed to manage and a large geographical zone, meet annual business goals, salary approximately 9 to 20 LPA, experience 7 to 12 years. Then key account manager, this person is supposed to manage the major hospitals, institutions and key accounts, salary is about 6 to 12 LPA, experience 3 to 8 years. Then product executive, this person is having a deal with the product planning, market research, then market support. Salary is about 3 to 5.5 LPA, experience 1 to 4. Then product manager or brand manager, so this person is dealing with the brand strategy, then campaigns, then new product launch and growth. Salary is about 10 to 20 LPA, experience required 4 to 10 years. Then national sales manager, national sales strategy, then business planning and execution, salary is up to 25 to 50 LPA, then experience 10 to 15 years. Then marketing director or VP, overall marketing strategy, then brand portfolio and responsibility, then salary 40 LPA to 1 CR, experience is about 15 plus.